Honda Big Bikes. So before we start our program, can you guys greet your seatmate naman and sabihin nyo naman yung balikan nila to say good morning and happy
good morning, Motor ni Juan. Good morning kay DJ.
So, gratitude to our media and blogger friends who are here with us today. Your presence is truly appreciated and we feel honored to have you today. Thank you also for accepting our invitation to test the new Honda Big Bikes.
Adventure, Sports, and Tourer. So yung Tourer, may kulang na units pa lang guys. So later on, makita natin.
Fine, no? Para hindi kayo masyadong mabitin. So meron tayong mga tatlong strength, i-accelerate nyo lang. So we advise lang yung posture, medyo naka-lean forward lang kayo. At pag-push may preno, naka-slightly push pa. No? And then meron din tayong mga slalom. Aware naman po kayo doon, no? So,
Try po muna natin yung mga 500cc bikes natin. Then right after that, ready po tayo. Mamaya po, pagkatapos po lahat na mapapag-ride sa Honda Big Bike po. So dito po muna lahat. And then, number 4, tools. Okay. Ilan po kami sa inyo ng testimonies. So, kung po ay case, ilang experience po ninyo doon sa pag-test ng
to?
Bago tayo gumamit po ng e-clutch. So para po alam natin yung operation. So ito po yung e-clutch technology. Once activated ang indicator lamp, pwede na po kayong directly mag-shift down to first gear. So makikita nyo po yung indicator lamp po dito, number 1. So pwede nyo na pong i-twist yung throttle. So kahit hindi nyo na po gamitin yung clutch.
Okay, next po tayo. Jerry P. and Motomoy.
Nag-enjoy ba kayo?
Yes!
Okay, so alam ko may bitin pa dyan, no? Nabitin pa kayo. So later, after nito is pwede pa kayo makapag-test ride.
For your time, and hopefully, we will be able to invite you again on another activities such as the breakfast rides in Napoy mga Pagandituti. During this event, we will be having a collaboration together with the fan section of Honda Philippines Incorporated. So, thank you very much, and sana na-experience niyo yung power, yung thrill, and yung excitement pagdating sa big bike models namin. And we hope that we will continuously support Honda Philippines. So again, maraming salamat po. Ingat po kayo sa pag-uwi and enjoy the rest